You hate who?
The patty.
Why? What'd they do to you?
They run to the wrong way and then they put it in two holes and then keep it in here.
Oh, they didn't go on the right way?
Yeah, just go on the right way.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, I need some help.
Okay. First, you gotta turn them so that fupa's on the top.
Where's Ken? I think the tag.
Yeah, remember the tag goes by the floor.
It's still got a yellow pen.
Oh, remember fupa goes on the other side.
I like to go on here. I like to go on here.
Remember the string goes on the top.
I need my pen. I hate my pen. Here we go. I like.
You like those pants now?